Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Impossible meatballs in the air fryer. This Impossible brand of meatballs, they're vegan meatballs, so it's a plant-based meat. It's a vegan alternative to meatballs. And in the air fryer, we cook it straight from frozen, so all we need is just this package of Impossible frozen meatballs. Let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to open the package of Impossible meatballs. Let's put the meatballs in the air fryer, so no need to defrost. Cooking straight from frozen. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these Impossible meatballs. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. So crispy. Now let's try it. Let me just cut one to show you that they're fully cooked. Perfect. They're perfectly cooked inside. Let's try it. So delicious. A lot of people will be fooled that they're not real meatballs. They taste amazing. They can really pass for real meatballs from meat, especially if you toss it with marinara sauce. So good. You will love them. Give them a try. They're very delicious. An air fryer is a perfect method for cooking them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!